Hey, in this video, I will show you how to find my WhatsApp number. It's pretty much the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this that works in 2021, you can actually give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel. And please comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. By the way, also comment which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. So what you want to do is actually go on WhatsApp, and there's two ways to go about it. If you don't want to see your number but want to just add someone as a friend via QR code, you just click on settings at the top right corner. Just click the QR code. You can send this to a friend by clicking share and then sending it over. Another way is to just click on your name at the top right corner. It says phone number and you can see it there. If this video helped you out, give me a like and want to see you in one of the next videos.